How Temu affiliate works step-by-step guide. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Temu and how you're going to go ahead and become an affiliate for it and how it's actually going to work. So, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to temu.com and go over to their affiliate recruitment place. Now, over here, what you're going to do is simply going to click on join now. And if you want to go ahead and sign up with the Temu affiliate program, do make sure to go ahead and check the link down in the description below where you're going to easily be able to sign up with Temu's proper affiliate program. Now, over here, what you're going to do is when you're signing up, make sure to enter a proper quality password for yourself. And once you've done that, simply click on register. So once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to bring you here where they're going to give you affiliate cash of 500. Okay. Now, this isn't $500, so don't worry. It's 500 rupees, which should go about around $2. Okay. So they're going to give you $2 for a startup. Now, once you're over here to make Temu's affiliate program work, what you're going to be doing is see their offers. So first of all, you get 10 to 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral. So whoever you refer to and place orders, 10 to 30% of the commission of those orders will come to you. Then you can also get a reward. So for every referral who downloads the app and places an order within 30 days after downloading, you're going to get an extra bonus of around, you could say, $4. All right. So once we've gotten an idea of this, you can also see the different referrals that they have, which is a rupees 15,000 coupon bundle, which should, mark you up around 70 to $80 of a coupon bundle. Now, they give you a proper general link or a deep link. So you can get a QR code for this, send it out to people, and if they purchase it through your link, you should be good to go. So share link, get your referrals, and earn your commissions, which are all going to be available over here. You can also see the hot items that you can become an affiliate to. So each of these items, you can see the commission that you can get. So if I sell this for 515, I can get a commission of 1,000 rupees, which is incredibly insane. So just like this, go ahead and become an affiliate for Temu. And if you want to go ahead and do affiliation right now, make sure to go ahead and check the link down in the description below and become an affiliate for Temu right away. So that's pretty much all for me. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.